And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. When Rashmika said, "Is it good?" I said, "How can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum?" You cannot forget that.
It's on stage. Dhanush sir! Darling fans, थोड़ी सी शांति. ये जब हम लोग इतने बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. May I please request the mic to be given to Dhanush sir since he's actually taken a break and come here. Sir, आपसे क्या पूछूं? Yes, please. I'd encourage you to speak to them. They are here for you. I'll ask the question on their behalf.
Om Namah Shivaya. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good afternoon everybody. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றேனே தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி. வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy. We worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके character bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, kuch bhi.
I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kammula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
Speaking of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of them.
Yeah, me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like. I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal actually. It was fine. But
Come on, everyone, Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you. Love you all. Love you.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Thank you. As he says, oh, can we have a picture with the team? Yes, Dhanush sir. One quick picture with the cast. Quick picture with the cast. Everybody, yeah? Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast. And we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush sir. I think Dhanush sir आज हमारे लिए फास्ट करके आए हैं. Lunch break के टाइम पे यहाँ पे he's joined us. We're very, very fortunate. Woo!
My sincere apologies to the press and media. I have to run. I've come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
Goodness, goodness, goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart. I want to come to Nagarjun sir, but in just a bit.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Sabku namaskar. Ellarkum namaskara. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Nagarjun sir, this is what we love about you.
So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were four newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers. And they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. When Rashmika said, is this good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
Since you spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us actually.